Trouble is mounting for the Aam Aadmi Party Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Anti-Corruption Bureau has started probe into a medical scam. Searches are being carried out in many places, and the former AAP minister who was sacked, Kapil Mishra, had alleged that there is a pharmaceutical shortage in Delhi because of corruption. Sonal joins us at this point for the very latest. Sonal, give us the details.
Well, the medical scam in question is actually based on a complaint based by the ousted minister Kapil Mishra. A couple of days back, he had given a complaint to the ACB where he said that medicines were procured by the health department in the Delhi government, but these medicines were not required by the hospitals at all. They were lying unused. In fact, they were procured in a corrupt manner. Now, what is this entire thing really? Remember, in February this year, Aam Aadmi Party had come out with a directive that all government hospitals that come under the Delhi government here in the national capital will be giving out free medicines to all its patients. Based on this order, several medicines were procured by the health department, but the hospitals who were supposed to be the recipients of these medicines said that the medicines procured were A, not required, B, the ones which are actually required never reached them. In fact, on 25th last month is when Arvind Kejriwal was wrecking one of the hospitals, the Sanjay Gandhi Hospital in the national capital, where he went there and even fired the medical superintendent there, saying that why were the medicines unavailable. Later, Kapil Mishra came out to say it was actually, the doings of the health department which could not procure the right medicines.
Right.
That seems to be the case at the moment.
Right.
As we speak, the ACB is carrying out raids at various places, various of these go-downs where this is happening. Well, also another story emerging at the moment is not just that, is also these Janta Darbars that are taking place here in the national capital. What you see on your screens are people lining up outside the houses of several ministers, even the chief minister as we speak, where he's going to be meeting everybody without appointments for an hour every day starting today. So that's going to be an interesting development.